Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. It's a weekly laundry, it's a weekly routine, so welcome and thank you. So if you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. I do cleaning motivation, laundry and grocery hauls, sometimes a bit of a lifestyle videos. So if you like this kind of content, please join the family, because I am sure you are going to enjoy. And for those who are always on my channel, thank you. Those who are returning without subscribing, guys, please do so, because I can see the math is telling me that you are here but not subscribing. So guys, please do the right thing. In this video, I am going to be including two comforters. It's a bedding, so I needed to refresh them. You know, the sweat, the dust and all that. So I am just going to put one at a go and incorporate it with a little bit of clothing, because I can't just roll one comforter alone. I need to be at least creative, or at least considering the washing powder also. And my time, I was just chasing after the load shedding. So every day when I go to do my laundry, I always check with the load shedding first, so that I can balance my day from there. So I was just sorting out the thing that I wanted to put in the comforter so that they can roll together, because the machine is bigger. It can take a lot of laundry. It is a 15 kg. So these ones that I'm putting aside, they are white, and I wanted to put some, I use Domestos, because that's the only thing that I can see right next to me that I can use on the whites. So this time I was being careful not to spill on any kind of a material there. Yeah, I just wanted to bleach them, because sometimes you cannot trust this machine that it can do a job well. Sometimes things are being washed but not properly. You find there are some spots that need a help with hands. Hence I am using that thing on the whites, and they come out so perfectly. Enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.
I am broken, words unspoken. I'm afraid I'm drowning underneath. I got lost in summer feelings. Now I can't seem to find my way to breathe. Need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time. Leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that time enough. Let me be the one for you.
Down there is the second comforter, which is my daughter's. So it was long overdue, because previously she was just staying with us only on weekends, but now she is there full time, so it needs some refreshment now and then.
I'm trying not to let go of my pride, but every time you come back, it's
This comforter is not as big as the other one that you just saw down the floor. It is manageable. Taking it out from the machine, it's not that of a hassle compared to the other one. It is so big, but the size says it's for queen size bed, but they are just not the same cut.
like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't
In the previous video, I spoke about this blanket, and my mother has just put it like that. So I need to spread it like the way I want it to be, because I was spilling the water in the basket. There was just full. I was forgetting about it, and when I say papara, the water was full in the basin there, so it was spilling a lot.
Be quiet. I hear the thunder that comes from far away. It's like a noise in my head. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. All we need to do is to get out of here. We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. All we need to do, we need to get out of oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. Oh, this world hurts. This world hurts. It cuts you deep and leaves the sky. We need to get out. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. 'Cause things fall apart and it frees your heart. It's no longer the same. We need to get out here. all these white lies got me hypnotized. Get out of my head, get into my bed, I'm broken. It's only a matter of time. Shifting my paradigms. You harm me, you hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it. Your heart is frozen. The water is rising and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're whistling on me and I'm just a drop in the ocean. I'm reaching your love. You pick me up and pull me down, hold me up so I don't drown. Got your head up in the clouds, nothing left of us now. Your heart is frozen. The water is rising and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're whistling on me and I'm just a drop in the ocean.
Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. Thank you for everything. I love you so much and your engagement is highly appreciated. My name is Elizabeth and please subscribe to my channel. I love making videos of laundry, cleaning motivation and grocery hauls and a little bit of a lifestyle. So you guys, when you are here on my channel, I get motivation to do more videos for you guys. So enjoy the rest of your whole weekend. I am going to be hanging in this to just give it a final dry on the sun. And guys, wow, I was so tired from here. I was just going to lie down, pick up and do some other chores. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Ciao, and please finish the rest of the video. Do not skip the ads as they also keep me motivated to do some more. I love you guys.
You are my lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. When we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart in the light of day, in the light of day. I'm a lucky charm. I hold you close in the night in my arms. And when we open our eyes, my worries fade away. 'Cause you gave me your heart.